In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste a chart to Docs from Google Sheets. We'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring that by the end, you'll be able to seamlessly incorporate charts from your spreadsheets directly into your documents. To begin, open Google Sheets where your chart is located. If you're unfamiliar, Sheets is Google's versatile spreadsheet application that allows you to compile data, perform calculations, and create visually appealing charts, which is precisely what we're working with today. Once your spreadsheet is open, locate and click on the chart that you wish to copy. You should see a border appear around the chart, indicating that it's selected. Selecting the chart is a crucial step as it lets Google Sheets know this is the specific data visualization you want to work with, making the following steps efficient and precise. Next, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the chart, where you'll find the More Options icon, represented by 3 vertical dots. Clicking on this icon will expand a drop-down menu offering several options related to your chart. From the drop-down that appears, select the option labeled Copy Chart. This simple action will place a copy of your chart into your clipboard, ready to be pasted into your document. Now, navigate over to Google Docs. This is where you'll host the chart alongside your text, providing a compelling and rich presentation of your data. In your Google Docs document, select the location where you want the chart to appear. Positioning the chart properly can enhance the flow and readability of your document, so consider where it will fit best with your text. With the location set, use your mouse to right-click this area. A menu will pop up with several options. Here, you'll want to select Paste, which will initiate the process of transferring the chart from your clipboard into the document. But before you finalize the pasting process, Google Docs offers you a handy option. You'll see a prompt asking if you'd like to link to spreadsheet. This feature is particularly useful if you want your chart in Google Docs to automatically update whenever changes are made to the source data in Google Sheets. If you think it's beneficial, select Link to Spreadsheet. Once you've decided on this setting, click Paste to complete the action. Congratulations! You've successfully pasted a chart from Google Sheets into Google Docs. This skill is valuable for creating dynamic documents where the data is visually represented, saving you time from manually updating charts in your documents. Feel free to adjust the chart's placement within your document for a seamless integration. By following these steps, you ensure your documents are both informative and visually engaging,